Affiliate marketing is one of the best and most lucrative business out there. If you have a laptop, a cell phone and Wi-Fi, you can start now. I highly recommend you to start as soon as possible because tomorrow could become harder. In this video, I will show you how to open an account on ClickBank. At the end of this video, I will show you how to promote and make money out of it. Now let's get started. First, come to this page. Click on Affiliate Start here. Skip this part, it is not mandatory. Fill out here with your personal information, email address and password. Read the terms and continue. Then click on No Thanks, continue to sign up. Download separation list, I recommend you to read it. You will get necessary information. Now click on Complete My Profile button. Add your personal information, phone number and address. Save it and continue. Click on Accounts and create nickname. Here you can choose account types. I will create 2 accounts. Click on one of your created accounts. Here add your information for customer support. When you face any trouble and have any question regarding your account, based on this information, ClickBank will contact you. To set up your payment information, click on Account Settings. Come at the bottom of the page. Here you see payment information. Click on Edit. Set up the payment threshold, payment method and payment frequency. Make sure to verify these changes from your email inbox. Now click on Affiliate Marketplace. There are different types of categories: health and fitness, self-help, home and garden, and more. Let's go with health and fitness. In every program you will have this information: upsell flow, product type, physical or digital, commission type, one-time or recurring, and so on and so forth. To promote a product, click on Promote button. You can get affiliate link this way. This is the landing page of this product. How to promote products and make money from ClickBank. I recommend the following methods. 1. Writing articles reviewing the product. One of the free platforms that I recommend is Medium. It has a huge traffic because the domain authority is extremely high. It brings more than 150 million monthly visits, which is a lot. Open an account and simply write a review about the product. The second free platform is Quora. In Quora, you can also answer questions and you can write long form articles about a topic. It is completely free and you can get advantage of it. The second method is content creation. This method is my favorite method. I was able to make $770 by just promoting a single product using this method. Not on this channel, but on my faceless channels. I have made a video about it and you can watch it. Open a channel, you can put any name on it. Before making any video, do research. I personally use vidIQ for keyword optimization. It's $5 a month. You can also use other keyword optimization tools. Research your targeted keywords very well. It's very crucial. Let's say I want to promote the best keto diet. I checked 3 factors: A. Pricing of the product, B. Problem-solving capabilities, and C. Keyword difficulty. Try to find products that people are desperately looking for. The pricing should be fair. If it is very high, more than the real value, you shouldn't think of promoting. Keywords should not be very competitive. If it is very competitive, the product and your way of marketing should be superior. Otherwise, it is difficult to make any sales. You can make videos as simple as just screen recording and nothing else, or as sophisticated as a successful YouTuber. It depends on your capabilities. Selling a product depends on many factors. The product itself is primary reason. SEO and marketing, such as making content, are the secondary reason. You should consider all these factors. If you select the right product, congratulations, you are half the way there.